everybody, my name is Charlotte.
Hi, my name is Vera.
And I'm known as C.
I'm known as V.
And together we're known as C and V. And we're going to be bringing you a series of how gadgets can help make your life easier. In today's world of technology, where technology is everywhere, but when things go wrong, we don't know how to solve it. But you never know. Maybe there's a piece of technology or a gadget that will make your life easier. Not so, Vera?
Yes.
So we're going to be bringing you a series of problems that face us every day, especially in South Africa. And we're then going to be solving them and showing you what gadgets can solve your problem. I'm going to be helped by Vera, my lovely assistant. And just for fun, my daughter Ariel, who's the real queen of technology, is going to be helping us. Not so, Ari? Yeah. Thank you. So imagine this. Load shedding. We all know that dreaded word. What do you all think of load shedding?
It's a very terrible experience.
Ari?
And of course, it's the worst.
And why is it the worst?
Because when the electricity goes, like everything is shut. You can't have Wi-Fi. You can have like stove of gas. You can use gas stove. You can use a lot of things. But for the Wi-Fi or phone, if you don't have data, it's like you're finished. You're done.
So, did you know that there is a very handy little device that will keep your Wi-Fi running while there's load shedding or no power?
No.
No.
So, it's called a mini UPS. There's quite a lot of these on the market, different brands.
Okay.
This particular one is called a LynxNet. And this is what it looks like. This is how big it is. No big generators, no big UPS taking up all your problems. This handy little device will solve all your load shedding problems.
That sounds good.
On to the next problem. Vera, have you got a TV in your room?
No. I have TV, but it's not a smart TV.
How do you know that?
Because you can check like you can't watch Netflix, you can't watch anything. Apart from DSTV, when you connect it to the decoder, you can't. So you have to, like, no smart TV, you can't watch Netflix.
Did you know that there's a handy little stick that will turn any TV into a smart TV?
No, I didn't.
Yes, there is such a thing.
Okay.
And Vera, when you're in the garden, can you get Wi-Fi?
It gives problems sometimes. It like it can't reach where you there in the garden. So it's like it's a struggle when you're in the garden. You have to come close to the Wi-Fi.
So there's a little thing called a Wi-Fi extender. Have you heard of such a thing?
No?
And I'm going to show you what that device looks like and how to plug it in, and you'll have Wi-Fi everywhere. You'll be able to do all those TikTok videos in your PJs.
Oh wow!
In the garden.
It sounds interesting.
And another little handy device. Did you know that for security, you know, in South Africa, we always got some security issues, that there's a handy little spy camera, okay, that you can set up. Not to watch you, Vera, or me.
No,
I don't know. To catch burglars.
I don't know anything about that. All I know is this big like CCTV camera where like they put everything. I didn't know that there's a little thing that you can just put.
It is literally as big as my phone. And you just set it up, and if there's any movement in the night, it gives you an alarm and you'll know that something's wrong.
Oh wow, that sounds nice.
Anyway, enough of us and talking. I hope that you are very interested in our series that we will be bringing you, and please click the like button or subscribe to our channel, C&V's Do-It-Yourself Home Tech Tips.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.